Hi there, it's Brian Bradshaw with BLPC Solutions. Just wanted to do a quick video and explain to you guys some of the offerings that we have available to you through our recent VoIP campaigns that we've been sending out. I'm assuming um, our existing client base has gotten it, as well as some prospects that we've been dealing with over the last few months. And just wanted to kind of explain what the options are available to you, and give you a little more detail about the specific promotions that we have. Um, with that, let me show you our VoIP webpage to give you a little more information here. So if you go to our website, blpc.com, and then VoIP services up top here, or you can just go to services and then VoIP here. That'll bring you to this page here. And this really gives you some more information about the platform. So this system is what we use in our own office. So we're not out there pushing something that we don't have some experience with, and some firsthand experience at that. So with that, it's a product that we stand behind. We're a referral partner for the company Cytracom, and we help with the implementation and support of the solution. You work with Cytracom directly. They fully support the product 24/7. You can call, email, whatever method you choose, and they will assist you from all aspects of account management, billing, technical support, etc. So these are, and let me give you a little zoom in here on the phones. These are the phones, the desktop phones. Beautiful color LCD screens. Your the displays down here for all of your staff are also all digital. There used to be a card that would go in there that you'd either write on or type on. Now it's completely digital. And if there's a little button here, you can scroll to get to the next set of, and I think it's 8 people on here. So you can keep scrolling through to see all of your contacts. You can put them in any order you want. But it's just a quick look down for whether it be intercomming, calling, seeing who's on the phone, and all that stuff. You have your lines up top here, your speakerphone, and that's the handset. Here's the mobile app, which is very good. It basically is think of it as your desktop phone on your cell phone, and it's compatible with iPhone, Android at this point. And basically, the way it works is with the app installed, and when you're logged in, you can have it run in a there's a couple of different ways to configure it. You can have it set so that when your desk phone rings once, twice, or 3 times, whatever number you want to pick, if you don't answer it, then go to the mobile app. You can have it set to ring simultaneously, which is what I do. So when my office phone rings, the app on my cell phone rings as well. So I have the option to pick it up in either location. The nice thing with the app is when you're on a call within the app, it will show people in the office that you're on your phone. So it's in that respect, it's pretty cool because, and I'll show you here, if you look right, like anywhere, in this area, that's going to be where you'll be able to see, this person's on the phone. They may not be in the office. They may be at their remote location, but you can still see that they're on the phone. And that's pretty slick. And then anybody, you can dial out from the app, and it comes out from the business line, the business phone number on the caller ID of the recipient. So they don't have to worry about giving out their cell number. They can just call from the app, and it comes from your office phone number. And we can make that number, that display, be whatever. If someone has a DID number, a direct inward dial, which is dedicated to them, some companies have that. You can make that display be that number, or you can have it just be your main company number, whatever you want. So that's pretty cool. And then over here we have the Cytracom desktop. So and it's a little, there's 2 tiers of pricing. One pricing is the all-in, where you get your phone, you get the app, you get the desktop. And the second option, you may have people that don't need a desktop phone. And be honest with you, the desktop phones are great. So they require, or they used to require you to be plugged into your home network or your office network. And that's how they get they connect to their secure cloud on the internet, and that's how the hosted PBX works. But but with this new model, they've incorporated Wi-Fi into the phone itself. So the Wi-Fi is built in, and you're able to, without plugging into your home network, you can just join your home Wi-Fi and use the desktop phone that way. But maybe there's people that are mobile and or don't want a desk phone at home. It's a little cheaper just to go the mobile route. You have the app and the desktop. The desktop is when you log in. Let me scroll down a little bit here. When you log into the desktop, you have the ability to make and receive phone calls through. You can plug a headset into your computer, your laptop. You can use like I'm doing now. I have a microphone on my desk with my computer speakers. You can use that for your phone calls, send and receive phone calls right through the computer that way. So there is that option. Bluetooth headset. So you can take, keep the app on your phone and just use a Bluetooth headset with it, or connect a Bluetooth headset to the desktop phone. If you're going to plug into your network, it's a 1 gigabit Ethernet pass-through. Some of the other VoIP providers, they only provide a 100 megabit connection. This is a full gigabit connection. So if you have a gigabit network, you don't want to compromise your speed and bring it down a little bit. This will allow that full gigabit speed to come through your phone and pass it back down to your computer. So if you only have one network jack, you plug into the phone, then the phone piggybacks to the computer, and that's it. There's no contracts with these phones. Free phones. The hardware is free, and they're fully warranted. So that's kind of where we are with this. And this is the Cytracom app here. And this is where I told you can have your call strategies here. You log into the app one time, then from there you have your ring pattern. You want to do both simultaneously, mobile first, then desktop first and mobile, desktop only, or mobile only. So you have a variety of different ways that you're able to establish these calls. Then from there, you can transfer, pick up parked calls on hold, full functionality of the desktop phone right there on your mobile. And then there's messaging features built into it. So you can have full messaging within your company, whether it be in certain groups. Maybe you have groups that are, maybe accounting or tech support, and you can set those groups up right within the app. And again, the app being the mobile app or on the desktop itself. So you have that right built into the app. You can message people. You can do private messaging. So you see here on the app, you have direct messages with each other, similar to any instant messaging platform. You can have private rooms where a group of people have access and only those people have access. You can have clients go ahead and email you guys directly. So you may have clients that, that want to text you. They text your business number, and that goes to a group of people. So instead of having, clients having to call in all the time, you can tell them, just text our business number, and that would come through to you. So there's a ton of features. And just to quickly touch on the promotions that are out there now, if your deal is $300 a month, which is probably, let's say the phones are about, depending on how many you need, they're like $32 a month per phone, and that gives you all the features that we talked about. If you have enough phones to make it $300 a month or higher, and you commit to a 12-month term, that would give you 2 months free. So right off the bat, you're getting, if you're doing $300 a month, right there, you're getting $600 back for 2 months free. And if you did a 24-month term, you would get 3 months free. And if you did a 36-month term, you get 4 months free. So that's up to you if you wanted to. And again, this is month to month. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to commit to anything. But if you wanted to take advantage of those promotions, you would simply just pick a 12-month term and get your 2 months free. So anybody has any questions, you can reach out to us. We are available through email, support@blpc.com. You can call our office, 631-239-4120. Or you can simply go to our webpage and go to the VoIP services, and you can click on the book appointment link right here on this page. And if you click on that, that'll pull up a calendar, and you can pick a time that's available. Pick one of the slots, fill out the information, and then just book an appointment, and we'll call you back and give you some more information. All right, guys. Thanks again, and looking forward to hearing from you. And have a good holiday.